Sure, the JBX-B by Tiger cooks perfect rice. But it may surprise you that this multifunctional rice cooker has 8 programmable menu settings for things like slow cooking and synchronized cooking. Tiger's exclusive Ta-Cook cooking plate allows you to cook rice and a delicious, healthy, composed dish at the same time, all while cutting up to 30% of the oil used in traditional cooking methods. The JBX-B comes in 5.5 cup and 10 cup sizes and features a new contemporary angular shape that is sure to add a touch of style to your kitchen. We've included a cookbook packed with some of our favorite recipes. And we've made the power cord detachable for easy storage. It has never been easier to cook healthy and delicious food at home, and with the Tiger JBX-B multifunctional rice cooker, you'll be cooking with the press of a button.